Oh, let me continue that sixth content of this chapter. See, you can see here the sixth content of this chapter. How do we explain diversity? Tangan zuge diversity lane explain lane tishe kante yigres. Okay, let me read all these points. First, sometime before the 200 years ago, before the age age of 10, trains, airplane, and bus or car, the people used to travel by ships, on the horses, on the camel or foot. Ngoma lo ni jas kola ta nyuma thirap ngoma ta lo ni ya lo sum jas kola ya ngazu ge me korche namdu che dagana sing ji ju lang korche mota che duzu me be kabla ngaran zu gi pheju kharchi gi re duzu chabla ane luk che dagana sing ta che dagana sing ngamo che ane ne komba gyam du gi res ta tingsan chi su kharche es na mota che me korche namdu che train airplane bus le ro adi diversity nemina so stande tu le ro nyama me stande mo push le ro. Okay, then second, they travel in the search of new places to settle in, the people to trade with. At the time, they stayed back at the place for a long time. Some other left their homes because of the food scarcity of food caused by the drought and famine. Some made their home at the new place and rise give rise to mix of the old and new in their food, language, music, religion, and so forth. Tang ngomang aran zugi tang chigl salanga saja chigli kin yune and songye la so wa. And samsam and saja chiglo be gyuring bu de ko la so wa. And samsam nga zo saja chigi inji minji pat saja di shane drogwes scarcity and shortage load. Nyungtan because of kare nyungta khala du nyungta cha karachi ni drought ni and chawa ma ge bche tendo du ya ma ge bche and the chiven mi mangbu ji yamani famine starvation lo da tukshi famine and tukshi te ba and then some of the quran zu khangba tinde saja saba tinde le to kera mix cha shimba saja shimba da mix all the new sa khala ene ta ta ni language ne su zu samwa lo le ta saja shimba ji to go chi sawa chama sawa ni mix cha lo dewa lo to ha. Then how do we explain the diversity? The various cultural fourth point, various cultural influence help the shape of the life culture in some regions become very diverse because of the unique history. Various cultural sosugi chuda rishuna kumshida bodu zugiya sosugi chuda sajadu pe mandava chawures dilaya saja dilaya sosu unique chaw history da loga yedusma saja diverse chawures mandach chawures. Then second, in the similar diversity also comes about the people's adapt their lives to the geographical area which live. For example, living near the sea is different from living in the mountain area. Eating habits, clothing of the people differ in each of these region. The kind of the work they do also different. Tangaranzu peneshas diversity la shtoa. Diversity la tangaranzu mi adapt la na susu chotowa. Manzo susu ni gi kurigura geographical susu kuriu dile dewo penanga do shashabena rilga dinye da na shingi 소관 되니 다나시 자탕가 되니 참모 로가 차고로 와 로가 가르친 차고서는 eating habits 칼라사다 둘로 건다 당아도 남시 장살 로베나 미 almost 라닥 도도 나가도 둘로 담고 공부라 자탕가는 게 넥스 남시 도알 미도 둘로 가르 공부세나 둘로 딕스 답답 공부라 아니 자탕 되니도 두수 루 빠빠 공교도 루 빠빠 선교 둘로 투고 자게 되니 공마라 남시 obviously that 남 장살 되니도 둘로 건다에네 때 칼라사단 상모 로가 요르다스 내가 제단에네 다 수수고 추에네 상모 로가 쳐버렸어. example for example, how do we explain from Ladakh to Ladakh to Chashavenas? Ladakh is a desert in the mountain in the eastern part of Jammu and Kashmir, where the very little agriculture is possible. The region does not receive any rain and is covered in snow for the large part of the year. The Ladakh to Chashana Saja the Kawala Chayas and Jammu and Kashmir, the desert area mountain Saja Rigan Chayare. Digala Manzu Tundo Tabatis New Yores. Nane Manzu Pil Chave, New Yores, and he brought up what is and Khanda in the Kapsha Wores. Second, the for drinking water. the people depends on the melting snows during the summer months. Tangarang zu pene chasha benas. Kunzu chu dungya dile chasha bene. Ani kyakwa shuni, kanju shuni dile dungya da. Ani kunzu ge tak people had keep sheep. Kunzu karen yugo semjen ru chasana. Ani log che, ra che, dangane shinge ra duzu. Kunzu ge dangane shi gor ge produced kunzu pashma wool le. Pashma wool di peche and the shingi price shawl store pashma shawl the Quran di made this wool the fetch lot of money di pashma shawl di pesha mongol the people eat meat kunju pi kharkhala khasagre shad in the sagri the shing milk like the cheese and butter do kunju milk the cheese omata do kunju pi lada meat do that the yores okay third each family owned some goats Namichi Raya Nyagori cows and zo ya meanwhile the places also attracted trader despite the being a desert. It was constituted the good trade route as it had many passes through the which caravanal travel to today to Tibet. This caravan carries textile and spices robe, silk carpet, and Buddhism came, they carry texts and spices raw silk carpet, and the Buddhism came Tibet. Ladakh is also known a little Tibet. Tangaran zugi pigin alogi meets hamlogi. Then Kari Simjing, Bujuk Simjing Kariosne, Rache, Pajuche, and the connection Zoda Yada, and then Koran such a do some lope. Dean do some balaya. Chedang do some balaya, Konzugi good trade route, Delaya Konzugi. Song Jaginita, Somba in the lower, Cravena, Somba past in the parts to water. Konzu Kariki is in a textile and the Euro, and a cotton gitulo, then I think a menace, roll silk lana and the silk cojangit in the carpet lana, the ancient, and Buddhism, Tanzu Perdina, the Ganzu Lada, the Karilagas and Mixegi, Karilagas and Lada, it is called Little Tibet Pelagorda. Lada Gitche, and the nation Kerala Jigudra. Kerala is a sea, it's a sea. It's located sea. People majority of Kerala dig sea class wood in the okay. Then 7 point is unity in diversity. The unity in India is such unity and diversity. Kashilana Taga Doxicity in Bakanshila Sama Torshinjo. Jaga gave some 28 state okay. Let me read all these points. India's diversity is the strength of women and men from the different culture, religions, regional backgrounds of came together to oppose the British rule in India. In the freedom movements, along with thousands of people from the different backgrounds, they worked together, decided to join actions when the jail together, found different way of to oppose the British. Unity chikang around younger diversity strength level around yama jaga kime neta what suzum poi neta cultural difference religions. So rishun contage background contage में sammal leres sammal usul oppose cheblen British ke jaga sabi samba kunju ngolo gebres freedom movement lan koran rahawang gi tar ti ta pe movement lan kunju mimang gi thone kunju kharchebre mi tongra mongbu jomni sule ya ngolo ge us injile ya ma de number shukchim buttem bata so kirije and mimang do work together samanyam do join together on file on Quran this opposed chigore sula against chigore protesting la net opposed la net sula opposed chigore and Quran common enemies so tumungi dad suimba hago British imba hagone konsu fight back to the British rule in during British rule in India nyama di chudi sambala and Quran unity Quran in the diversity even the cultural the diversity in some Quran dad hago betone konsu opposed chigore sula opposed against chigore sula British against chigore so okay Then especially the Jallianwala Bagh Masquerade. Jallianwala Bagh on April 13th, 1919. The British general and his troop attract a large meeting unarmed people. Several men and women and child also included were killed brutally. These incidents called the Jallianwala Bagh Massacre after the name of the meeting place, Amritsar, Punjab. Jallianwala Bagh is a very long story, but it shows one of the unity and diversity. During that time, people is huge gathering, all the sessions of people coming together to meeting, heal the meeting, and without arm they are meeting together in huge park is there. During that time, General Dyer, who is the commander of this British soldier, who ordered to kill the large number of the masquerade in the Jallianwala Bagh. They killed the thousands, the Indian people who are innocent people who were the kid in the Jallianwala Bagh. Ta dina keja kharishi gunno jilo jiktung Jallianwala Bagh la saja jira saja mig di mass create and mi mangpo ji se ro ta khadu se jilo every gi chin the jilo gu chu lo British general khare je dial la jure 거기 망미도 티네 아니 콘주 닝제 겨가 미마 안 콘주 락시 케요 말 콘주 총도 소디요 콘주 탕디가네 통도 총도 미다 버바다 안데 소리 고한다 겨가 부다 부모 망고지 코란도 총도 소디요 총도 총이 거기 제너럴 다이얼레드 거기 코란 막면로와 코란기 오더 치르 오더 가셔버는 콘주 셀러 딱 콘주 셀에서 무틀리 닝적으로 매 무틀리는 배 닝제 매베도네 셀다 미 망고 huge thousands people who were killed in Jallianwala Bagh in a city 디 세두 somebody 사자디 가와에서 고주 총도 쳐대요 사자디 가와한테 Amritsar 나요 if you go to Punjab there's a place called Amritsar still there are documentation 아주 movie the documentation the 사자도 somewhat still you can we can see that place and those such a historical place nhưng general 다해기 거기 디컵 선발아 아니 겨가 미망고지 Jallianwala Bagh le 총도 초도 선발아 미 동다 망고 아니 general 다해 코랑기 슈치다 코랑기 미도 order 때는 미망고지 세 어디 디 Amritsar 사자나 사자도 거하는 Jallianwala Bagh 디 पंजाब 사자 거하 Amritsar 나요 okay that's about that is a terminology terms our diversity lan kharote the sense of the variety of exists in the trait look behavior culture the religion abilities resource and opportunity related different people said diversity tangaran junye thangila basis on the ngazu trait khare me ani kogi cultural background difference la khare khare chu behavior susugi chena dane shingi rikshu chuki dane shingi ability jona the samolo loga diversity levels inequality chamyo menjo jahanalo inequality sunni the caste system jigredo caste system the system mongora dowry system ruduarita on system pe mongora the difference between the two or more peoples arise because of abilities resource opportunity to caste etc term and inequality tangadu uchu ni parul kewa rich is very rich poor is very poor inequality inequal because of the ability to jundal resource so inequality mangoli uchu ni paru khewa jigbuda gyo ni paru that is one so the caste system that's what caste rigged term and inequality la porta caste the jaganolo term dikalo inequality chanyo menjo jigbo menjo okay dije habitat the geographical area where are the living being adapted and live comfortably it's called the habitat of that living being habitat ngaran ju that susugi 손에 채서죠. 당아도 도도신 ecosystem 나가라. 냐도 지면은 가와로 초도래. 추나라. 추디 best ecosystem for fish와. 당아라 geographic area 도 수수 배 comfortable 간에 소화니 도 habitat 제도에는 뭐들 habitat 라고레스. resources 라는 칼로레스. 먼저부터 anything that can be any use or any activity said to be resource. 먼저 배주 연구 수수로 배주 연구 수수 카리 잘라 칸데지 수수로 배주 연구 될래야 칼 resources 라고레스. Okay, the home of the Anzu Karichi was in Lopsing Gablo Yungo exercise Chitwa, O Diki, unity and diversity, the Injimiji, Lutu Samolo, Tirochi, Homo Wadarahi, own the Homo Tiache, the Injimiji Tiache. And if you any queries and these things, please let me know. Thanks. Today's class, I stop here.